Hi, my name is Ahmad Baker and I hail from Jordan and I'm an international student here at SAIT. The way that I found out about SAIT was I was talking to my brother on the phone and he was suggesting that I should go to Alberta to have an education. I instantly went on the internet, narrowed down my research into what are the top colleges in Calgary, and SAIT was #1 on that list. SAIT is not just any educational institution. It's a hands-on education institution that helps you gain skills and gain industry skills and be connected with industry leaders. Being an international student here at SAIT, you'll have a lot of support from different departments, whether it's international or domestic departments. They will have connections and networks that will help you thrive and settle in Calgary and in Canada as soon as possible. أهلاً وسهلاً بكم في SAIT. Welcome to SAIT.